Hello everyone! Today I will introduce you to one of SupaElements' special features, which allows you to create a slider upsell banner in your checkout with just a few simple clicks. The SupaElements feature I'm talking about is the product slider available to all Shopify Plus members. You can create a banner to offer more products directly in the checkout and give the option to your customer to slide between the products you're offering, allowing them to choose which they prefer. Also, you can customize the offer name and even the text you want displayed on the call to action button. Furthermore, you can also give your customers the option to choose the quantity or variants they prefer for the offered product. But let's see how easy it is to create this type of element in the checkout. From the SupaElements dashboard, we can create a new element either from this button here at the top right or directly from the Checkout Elements window using this Create button. Now, in the Dynamic Elements section, choose Product Slider and click on this button. This opens the configuration page. The first thing to decide is the title, which is mandatory and will be used to connect it to our checkout later. Then, we define the condition under which the offer will be displayed if it is met. We can also create multiple conditions and decide whether to make all mandatory using the AND button here or make them optional using the OR button. In this example, we'll use only one condition and choose Cart Total for an amount greater than 1,000. Now I'm going to customize the offer in the static content window where the products will be displayed. Here in the heading, I put the name of the offer, for example, check this out. And in the CTA label, I put a short immediate name like buy. And in the layout, I'll decide how the slide will work, horizontal or vertical. I choose horizontal. Now let's choose the products for the upsell offer. As you can see, we have several options in this field, but for this example, we'll use by collection, and by clicking here on choose targets, I can choose what collection offer using the convenient picker. In my example, I pick this collection. Now I can also add an extra filter to be more specific about what to offer from the collection using the product type, the product vendor, the tag, or the range price. In my example, I'll use a range price offering only products between 600 and 1,000. I can also customize the maximum number of products that are possible to shop from my slider, how to sort by price or name, and in which order. It's possible to prioritize which variant is displayed, whether the most expensive or the least expensive. I chose the most expensive. These two checkboxes here give us the option to let the customer choose whether to purchase more products and whether to choose the variant they like best, and here too, I activate both to give the customer more choice. The last window gives us the possibility to schedule the offer for a specific period of time, days, or even just a few hours, but at the moment, we'll leave it turned off. Okay, now I activate this dynamic element here and click Save, and our offer is ready. Let's copy the name of the element and let's set it in the checkout page. The last thing we need to check is where to position our offer, and to do this, we go directly to customize the checkout page of our store and add the SupaElements app block, if it isn't already present, with our offer wherever we prefer. In our scenario, we put it at the top of the page. Now let's connect the element. Open the element by clicking on it, and here in Element Name, we paste the title of our newly created element. We save the page, and our element is running on our checkout. But let's see what it looks like in our store. From the store, I go to buy products for a total amount above 1,000 and move to the checkout. Here, as the checkout loads, the first thing I see is the offer I just created. As you can see, it is possible to choose the product we want, and on this arrow here, is possible to slide back and forward between the products. Also, for the products that have variants, it is possible to choose the variant and the quantity. And to add it to the cart, just press the buy button that we set. As you can see, it is automatically added to the cart. Obviously, if the amount of the cart does not match our condition, this offer will not be present either, as you can see. With SupaElements, it is really easy and fast to create offers of any kind for your cart with a few simple clicks, increasing the possibility of upsell, offering a variety of products, and make easy and appealing the customer experience. Ready to improve your customer's shopping experience? Activate any plans and remember you have 7-day free trial to test it. And if you need assistance, our support team is always available to help you.